the sun has set. Glass fiber boat in need. The icebreaker is breaking the way. And he's joined us on this adventure throughout the minefield of ice.
Wow. Wow.
Magnificent
A lot
ice.
of ice cubes for all the drinks you could possibly need.
Oh yes, oh yes. The summer is coming, and now we are really feeling the spring for the first time.
Don't mind this.
Yeah, this is old. This is old.
Yeah.
So actually, this boat, it used to be a research boat.
Vessel.
Yeah.
Used by a bunch of Frenchmen to do Arctic science stuff, and we got our hands on it.
Yeah. Before that, it had sailed to Antarctica, the Arctic, the whole world, apparently. So this boat has a lot of history, and now we want to keep this history going. New adventures, more to come.
So like and subscribe, guys. Leave a comment in the comment section. Share this video with your friends if you liked it. Bro fist.